Hey guys, it's Katie, and today I'm going to show you 3 healthy essential oil cocktail recipes. I know cocktails in general maybe not the most healthy thing in the world, but I'm going to show you ways to make them a little bit healthier and have added benefits by adding in those essential oils. So first, we're going to make this beautiful one with rosé and lavender. That lavender is going to help really relax you and has a lot of great skin benefits. Then we have a variation of a margarita. It's kind of a cucumber margarita with lemon balm and orange to help energize and revitalize you. And the final one I'm going to show you is actually my absolute favorite one. It's a spin-off of hot toddy, but it's going to have chamomile, help really just like soothe you, and I'm calling it the Sweet Dreamer. All of these cocktails are totally LSF approved, so if you're ready to get a little boozy, sweat the thumbs up and let's get started. All right, so before we start the recipes for the cocktails, I just have to say that if you guys are not like of age to drink or you just don't drink alcohol, you can absolutely make these a virgin version by just using soda water and then the additional ingredients I'm going to show you, and they're still going to be totally delicious and you'll get all those essential oil benefits. Now, using essential oils also is something you want to be really careful of because they can be super, super strong and concentrated, and not all essential oils are good to be ingested. So do your research, make sure you find ones that you can actually ingest in your body, and then you're also going to want to dilute them. So all of our cocktails are going to be made with a honey simple syrup that I made here. I'm going to show you guys how to make that, and then you can add your essential oil to that to make sure that you like dilute it enough, and it also will help break it up for you. All right, so the first one we're going to do is our beautiful rosé and chill. I cannot wait for this one, it's so good. So if you're making a honey simple syrup at home, all you need to know, it's really easy, is it's 1 part of each thing. So you're going to use 2 cups of honey and 2 cups of water. I know that seems like a lot of honey, but when you actually add it to your drinks, you're only adding like a teaspoon or so. But if you do that and then just 1 drop of the essential oil that you're using, you're going to be able to make sure you dilute it and still get the flavor, a little bit of the benefits. But believe me, I've done it enough times where I put way too much lavender and it was like a lavender pillow mist in your face. Not fun. So 2 cups of honey, 2 cups of water. You're going to put that over the pot, add a little drop of the lavender, and then you get this nice simple syrup. All right, so for the rosé and chill, in case you didn't guess it, we're gonna use rosé. Rosé, I don't know, I love it all the time, but especially like summer, there's something about it that just makes it more magical. And then once you put that lavender in, oh, it's so good. Anyways, there are so many amazing benefits of lavender. I'm sure if you use essential oils even in diffusers, you know that it's really good for relaxation, but there's also tons of benefits for your skin. It can really help bring like all that suppleness back into your skin, get rid of wrinkles. So it's good stuff. If you're gonna drink, you might as well get some extra benefit out of it, right? All right, let's pop this bad boy. Wait for it, here we go. Woo! Oh, I love that sound. I know it's really loud. I know technically if you're like a fancy wine person, you're supposed to make it so it like makes no sound. That's like the goal. Ryan tries to do it all the time. It's called an angel fart. There's probably a better name for it, but that's what people call it. I did not obviously succeed. I really like the loud pop sound. I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna drop this in here. All right, so since it's mostly rosé, I'm gonna fill it mostly to the top, and then we're gonna add in that little bit of honey simple syrup with the lavender. All right, so I have my little cocktail spoon here. It's a teaspoon that you're gonna add in of the simple syrup, so that's about 2 of these spoons. And it's nice and long, so I can really gently stir it in there. You don't wanna stir too hard or you're gonna have bubbles going everywhere, and then your champagne's gonna spew out, which you don't want. Add a little bit of fresh lavender from my garden. You don't need to do this, but it garnishes it. You get a little bit more of that smell, and it makes it look way prettier. And again, the lavender is really gonna help just aid in your sleep benefits. Of course, a little champagne does that too. And since we made so much of that simple syrup, you guys can store it in the fridge in an airtight container and use it for several cocktails or other recipes you have over the next like few weeks. Cheers. All right, so our first drink was perfect for like a Friday night when you just kind of want to be chill, relax at home with your girlfriends or by yourself. This one is a little bit more like you want a little energy. It's gonna really revitalize you, energize you, and it takes a little bit more time. So the first one is like a quick, just relax. This one is gonna be easy, but there's a few more steps to it. So it's our spa margarita. It's gonna have cucumber, lime, lemon balm, which is really, really good to help rejuvenate your body, increases circulation. So if you've had a long day of like working out or work and you want to like be like ready to go out for the night, this is going to be your go-to drink. All right, so I'm going to start with some ice in my little shaker here. I'm going to show you how to make one, but we're going to have the recipes up for you. I'll link them down below. I do recommend making these in batches, so like a pitcher for you and your girlfriends. Again, just to help dilute that lemon balm oil that we're going to be using. So we're going to drop the ice in here. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of tequila. This one is my absolute fave, the little Casamigos. It actually has like a tiny hint of vanilla, which sounds kind of weird, but it's super good. So a 1/4 cup, that's gonna be a shot there. Let's put that in. So again, this is just for one. I'm gonna squeeze half a lime straight in. If you want it extra limey, you can definitely do more. Just be careful with that citrus and the acid. And as always, you guys, make sure you are eating plenty of food before you have these cocktails, so you're nice and full, and drinking water. So I have my LSF water bottle. If you guys don't have this yet, it's so great because it just encourages you to drink throughout the day with the cute little sayings. But this is going to be my rule for you if you guys have it. So if you have a drink, have a full water bottle with you, drink down to the halfway, which says your body is going to love you. That's your little reminder, like you're gonna stay hydrated so you don't get hungover the next day. It's good. So drink lots of water, 1 per cocktail. That's kind of my rule. I'm gonna add a drop of the lemon. And again, this is really good for energy. It also has like great skin benefits too. And then we're gonna add some cucumbers and muddle those up in there just a bit. We're gonna shake it up. All right, so I got my nice little strainer here. I'm gonna throw it right on top. And then, so that you're not like, whoo, crazy town, we're gonna add a little soda water and a little bit of honey. So you could add the honey while it's in the mixture, and I'm gonna add about half a teaspoon in here. Just gonna drop it and stir it in a bit. And then top it with some LaCroix. It's gonna add a little bit of bubble, a little freshness, and then dilute it even more for you. I'm gonna top it with some more cucumbers on there because I love cucumbers and it's so refreshing. Like, talk about that spa water, right? Totally gives you that same vibe. And if you're having friends over and you wanna be like super fancy and impress them, or just for yourself, you pick some flowers, put them in there, and then it's a gorgeous spa margarita. All right, so our last drink is one of my favorites because it's a really good like relaxation one at night that's gonna help you like de-stress. It actually will also improve your mood and have you have better sleep. So this one is gonna be the Sweet Dreamer. So you'll have really nice dreams with that good mood that you're gonna have because of the bergamot that we're gonna use as our essential oil. That's the base of this. And this is a variation of like a hot toddy. So I like the idea of a hot toddy. If you don't know what it is, it's basically lemon, honey, chamomile tea, which I love. It has such good like soothing benefits. And then also whiskey, which I'm not a fan of. Plus we're going into summer here in California, so I thought it'd be good to make a refreshing colder variation for those hot nights, but then also a more friendly alcohol. So we're gonna use gin, which is essentially vodka with botanical essence in it. So it's gonna be really good in this drink. I started with the chamomile tea. I brewed it ahead of time so that it would be not burning hot to make this drink. And then we're gonna add a little bit of honey. So 1 teaspoon of honey. I'm gonna go ahead and remove those tea bags. Get our teaspoon of raw honey. And you can use more or less honey. It really just depends on the flavor that you want and how sweet you want it. So if you don't care about it being too sweet, then you can ditch some of that honey. I'll let that melt in a bit and get my shaker. I'm gonna throw the ice in here. Adding to my tea mixture, I'm gonna do a tiny bit of lemon essential oil for that flavor, and we'll do real lemon too. The bergamot, again, this is the one I told you is just so great for improving your mood and helping you sleep. So one little drop of that. Again, you really want to dilute it because it's intense. I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna add some elderflower, which like the name sounds is kind of floral, and you already get that with the gin, so they complement each other really well. I'm gonna use a capful, which is a teaspoon. I actually just got this at Target. Easy. And then some fresh lemon. So we're gonna squeeze that half right into the tea mixture. And then I'm gonna stir this up. And then I'll add the 2 ounces or 1/4 cup of gin into my shaker with this tea. This would be like a great like girls' night slumber party drink for sure. All right, so now I'm gonna add the tea in right on top. Get the lid and shake it up. It's like a great arm workout for sure. And core, keep it nice and tight. All right, so I already have ice in a glass here. Just gonna pour that right over. And then of course you can always add things. If you want more lemon, if you want more chamomile tea, a little bit more honey. Once you get it out, you can add those in. And then I have some chamomile daisies that grow outside of my garden, so I'm gonna drop those because they're adorable. Look how cute they are. They're like the most precious little baby daisies ever. And they just make your drink look even cuter. All right, you guys, I hope you love these healthy essential oil cocktail recipes. I wanna know which one you're gonna try, so comment below, tell me your fave, and if you do them this weekend, post on Instagram, tag @LoveSweatFitness. Don't forget, good things come to those who sweat, so we'll see you guys next week for another awesome workout. Bye.